everyone, this is Yvette again from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know a simple process to manifesting anything, very easy, you landed on the right video. This video right here is going to open up doors for a whole lot of you out there that are saying the law of attraction is not working, none of your manifestations is coming through. So right now, you're going to get my top secret to manifesting anything. But watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips for you guys to help supercharge your manifestations. But before we get started, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel. So if you want more of these type of videos, join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know the secret to the secret, keep watching. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about what you must do to manifest anything and to manifest it very easy? Now, listen, you guys, this is something that is easy to understand, but a lot of people just aren't doing it because a lot of people are desperate or they want things so bad, they're absolutely forgetting to do this one thing, and that is having faith. Now, listen, don't cut off right now, you guys, because you have to understand this for it to work. I'm telling you right now, if you're doing affirmations, scripting, visualization, whatever it is you're doing, without this one key component, it will not work. In fact, it might bring in the opposite of whatever it is that you want. It might make your problems a little worse than what they are. Without faith, the law of attraction cannot work. Now, let me explain how this goes. Faith is believing in something that you really don't see, trusting that something is going to happen without seeing it. Faith is trusting in the universe, in God, Allah, Jehovah, your own higher self, whatever it is you look to for your support. Now, how does this affect you? If you have faith, the stress level will be down. Remember, you guys, we're talking about your own personal vibration. Whatever it is you're vibrating is where you are, and you attract to you whatever it is you're vibrating at that level. So if you are trying to manifest anything in your life and you're thinking, when is it coming? When is it coming? Where is it, God? Why isn't it not working for me? You are telling the universe, I'm feeling bad. It's not working. Please give me more. I do not have faith. Now, until you listen and do what I am saying, you will still be in that same predicament, okay? Now, what am I saying? What is the missing component and what should you do? First of all, only thing it is, when I say have faith, just know that the universe is supporting you. Just know whatever it is that you're getting do not come from anything on the outside. It comes from the God that dwells inside of you. Do not look for that career or that promotion from the outside. It comes from inside, and that's where everything comes from. Now, once you understand this and know that you have a force that is inside of you that cannot be reckoned with, you proceed through your life as if whatever it is you're going to manifest is already there. It's already done, and it cannot fail. So when you get up in the morning and you say, thank you, God, for blessing me. This is the day I've never seen before, a day I would never see again. And you know what, God? I am expecting the best. You are saying, God, I have faith in you. I know whatever it is that's for me, whatever it is that I want to manifest, is already done. Because I got a God that's inside of me that already told me whatever it is that you want, you can have. It doesn't matter how you get there. As long as you take action, God will move things out of the way. God will place people in the right position to help you when things seem like it's not going to work. The thing is, by having faith that the God in you is going to make sure whatever it is that you want is there, you have faith. That faith is going to lift up your vibration to a level of expecting, to a level of contentment, to a level of happiness, that you're going to bring things in your life, not only with what you're trying to manifest, but you're going to bring in other things because you're at a vibration of being happy. Another thing, when you have faith, you are absolutely saying, this is who I am, this is what I expect, and you are elevating your level of consciousness up to the level of where you want to be. By doing that, only things at that level is going to be pulled in towards you, and you will manifest whatever it is that you want. You guys have to understand, until your subconscious mind absolutely connects with your conscious mind, it cannot happen. If you're saying consciously, I'm going to manifest $1 million, I'm going to manifest $1 million, and your subconscious mind is saying, damn, we've been broke all our lives, oh my God, it will not work. You understand? But by you letting everything go and having faith in the universe and proceeding as if you're stepping closer and closer and closer to whatever it is you're trying to manifest, it has to manifest. Well, you're saying, well, Yvette, what am I supposed to do when things are just going bad? My thing to you, my words to you all, is to let it go. That is my words. When things seem hard, things seem rough, seems like there's no release, no way of going, let it go. This is one of the most powerful things you can do with the law of attraction. If you're trying to get pregnant, let it go. If you're trying to get that raise, let it go. Why? You're not giving up on the desire, on what you want. You are absolutely saying, I have faith in God, and God, I give this to you. My higher self, I give this to you. Jehovah, Allah, Krishna, whoever, whatever deity that you worship, that you look to for inspiration, I give this to you and I let it go. By doing this, you're taking the worry from yourself, the stress from yourself, and you're opening up to receive. So what is the secret to manifesting anything? That is having faith and letting go. Once you let go of something, it cannot do anything but be attracted to you. You let go of all the worry and the pain, and it's going to come into your life. Now, you might be saying, well, Yvette, what exactly do I do when I let go? If you want that car, and you know right now you don't have all the money, but you want that particular car, you do your visualizations, your affirmations, your scripting, whichever one resonates with you. I'm not telling you guys to go around and do all these things because I don't do it. Pick something that you love to do that resonates with you. If you want to write on bay leaves and burn them, okay? Whatever it is. But once you do it, I need you to say, this is done, and let it go. That is the secret. If you want that car, get in your car, drive around to all the dealers, look and act as if you're going to buy. Have fun. Don't get stressed out. And I'm telling you right then, God will put the right person at that dealer, like he did me, to make sure you get that car, to make sure everything works out the way you want it to work out. But do not stress. That is the secret, everyone. I got my cars that way. I got my Volvo that way. I said, wow, they want a whole lot of money for this car. What the heck is going on? I came home, ran into my neighbor, and she's like, don't you know my husband is the lawyer for the dealer? He's the lawyer for all the dealers over there. They made one call. I had my car by that night. I would not kid you. I did a video on it. When I wanted this home, I wanted a townhouse. I wanted to be near water and entertainment. I wanted to be near the beach. I came here. I didn't think I could afford it. I just went shopping and having fun and enjoying myself with my mother. What happened? A year and a half later, I am in the same townhouse that I had on my vision board. How? The universe worked it out. The universe made sure I got into this house. It's just that simple, everyone. If you listen to what I'm saying and let go of trying to control the situation, trying to make things happen the way you want them to happen, it will manifest. The thing is, just know that there's a God inside of you. Call it your higher self, whatever you want to call it, that is supplying you with whatever it is you want in life. And only thing you need to know is that you need to have faith. That is belief in something that you do not see. And it will be done. God will work it out for you and you will have it. So listen, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always giving you law of attraction, metaphysical coaching lessons to help change your life. If you like this video, don't forget, join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell, people. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, crystals, candles, jewelry, anything, look in the description, and namaste.